So this activity is for people who are on page 11, and we started looking at this in class, and what you'll see is that it's really just a step before the dot point draft. It's asking you to think about what's your most important answer to your question, and it can really help to talk this out with people, so please do that. Then we're asking you to look at each of your focus questions. Now you might not have that many focus questions, or you might have more of them. We've given 4 just as, an outline. If you only have 2, only fill in 2. If you have 7, add some more. But we want you to actually answer, what's the answer to these questions? Then what we want you to think about is the different perspectives that you had. Did everyone agree? And if they did, that's fine. But did you have anyone who didn't match? We want you to actually list them. So you might say something in this perspectives like, all people agreed underwater knitting is about being underwater while knitting. That's pretty straightforward. But maybe some believe it should be in the Olympics. Whoops, spelled that wrong. Some believe it shouldn't. This is really just so you can start to think about how you map your perspectives, because you might need to address those in 2 different paragraphs when you're doing your writing. This is then taking you to your dot point draft, which is what we have asked you to start to work on next. There are other explanatory videos available on Sector and on the outcome playlist that will be useful for you. If you realise at this point you don't have enough evidence, this is why we've asked you to put summary tables in and dot point drafts in, because we want you to go find it. We want you to keep getting that evidence. You don't have to annotate it at this point, we just need you to get the data. This is another piece of your work that you can submit to us as a way of getting feedback. It's not a draft yet, it's just ideas, and it's really just a chance to get a sense of, are you going in the right direction? It's not compulsory to submit this, but it's something that allows you to really show how you're developing your thinking and what you're putting in your outcome.